Hey, my favorite fucking car. Oh my god. That was so fucking cool. A Nissan fucking Skyline R34 GTR. My favorite car in the entire world. Welcome to the channel, everybody. It is your long-lost Uncle Julian here, and today is a great day. Today's a great day for my stepfather, the beast himself, Barbecue Charles. He is going to upgrade his life today, and I want to be there to document it because this is a momentous day. Oh boy. I got to take my bike and I got to put new tires on this because the tires are getting a little sketchy. So I got tires from Revzilla. I got Michelin Power 6s. Definitely love that. Oh, I still can't get over the fact that I saw a beautiful Skyline GTR R34, man. That is just my dream car. Like, fuck the Porsche, fuck the BMW. It's all about the Skyline GTR, man. That RB26 DETT. I would just love to just drive one once in my life. Just once. And then I could die happy. But yeah, today we're going to focus on my stepfather's adventure, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be fun. And we're gonna give her up for a little bit. Tires are like bald right here. They're kind of cracking right here. So it's getting sketchy. So I just gonna have them put new tires on. Goodbye, my love. Until next time. It looks way better in person, I have to say. It looks way better in person. Well. I told you, it's a big day for my stepdad. His little acorns turned to big nuts today. He's taking home the M1000XR. I'm so happy for him. I truly am. He got a beautiful machine. And I want to buy one of these, but I'm broke right now. I'm totally broke. Well. Oh, don't tell me this is like all upside down. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. We're moving. Look how excited he is. You excited?
Yes, I am.
He's excited. I remember when I was here and Mary was pushing my bike out, how excited I was. Hopefully, he'll let me ride it. Hopefully.
It's a low key big bike.
It's a big bike.
But it moves around so easily.
Oh yeah.
I love the steering. Like a handle on it.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's 100 degrees. There's my baby. There's my girl. I already miss her. I already miss her. Gorgeous. A little disappointed in the rear sides.
I'm like, I got Chris involved.
Well. Still recording. Excellent.
So, first manual.
So this concludes the day here at Cross Country in Metuchen, New Jersey. Beautiful place. If you've been here, you know they got bikes up the ass. They got everything you want as far as sport bikes and everything. Some cruisers. Got really friendly staff. Great service department. I've never had a problem with them. And then yeah, we're gonna see if maybe we're gonna be able to ride the XR. I hope, but whatever. And now he's gonna mount and ride off on his beautiful BMW M1000. Jesus Christ, M1000XR. Oh man, how exciting. Are you excited?
Oh, yeah. Like a kid in a candy store.
Hell yeah.
Little coffees.
Yeah, they're tight.
Look, the break-in.
Those are nice gloves. Those are nice gloves. Wearing sweatpants. 104 degrees outside. Wearing sweatpants. This guy's a warrior. Oh, gotta hold it down. Oh, the leaf blower. Awesome. All right, I'll follow you home, all right? Alrighty, babies. I'm driving a Ram Rebel. I'm not really a pickup truck driver, but all the boys around here drinking that ice cold beer. Let's see if I can get them. I barely see him. He's riding home his new XR, M1000XR. I can barely see him, but fuck it. Fuck bitches, get money. Awesome. He's so happy, so proud of my stepdad. Like I said, his little acorns turned to big nuts. And now the bike is home. God, what a beautiful fucking machine. Gorgeous fucking bike. My stepdad is so proud. He rode it home. He tore through fucking traffic like it was nothing. This is definitely a contender for me for like my next bike. I don't want to give up my double R though. I love that fucking thing more than anything. But man, hopefully maybe he'll let me ride it, but I'm gonna cut the episode here. This is all about my stepdad and his purchasing journey. I'm so proud of him. You know, now him and I have similar bikes, except his is just way more comfortable, and that's a good thing. All right, it's 103 degrees outside, so I don't think I'm gonna be riding anything today until it cools down, because it's just brutal outside. But thanks for tuning in. I love you, Charlie. Excellent job today. And yeah, tune into the next one. Maybe he'll let me ride and I'll do a review. Cool.